Hi everybody, I'm on Wasasak Canal right beside Benajay McKenna at the Fort Garry Bridge. There was a sewer line break here a couple of years ago, and they've been running temporarily over the bridge, but they're in the process of putting a new line under the river here, and as you can see behind me, the excavation is in progress. There is a really deep pit that's here. Can't go inside it, of course, but I thought I would let you know what's going on here, and that continues to move forward. If you're coming down the active transport trail, take a little gander as you go by. Bye.